Alright, so what's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I made a video. I just wanted to give an update because I had the camera kit and the coilover for a long time, but I finally got 2 days off in a row. So I put them on the cars, but before I'm gonna do that, it's a little windy in cars. I don't know if y'all can hear me for it, but before I showed what it look like right now, I'm gonna show the before picture. So yeah, that's the before, and then this is the now. And we're really low, but what do you call it? There's no, I don't have any rubber or anything like that, and so I have the true hearts like you see in the picture. I'm probably gonna show that before too, and the camber. But yeah, I didn't put the camera in the rear, so it's a little bit of a lean. You see it, but I got the alignment already, so I'm good for right now until I get another day out to put the rear on. But it looks a lot better than before, honestly, in my opinion. And then, all right, so I see y'all next time. Hopefully, hopefully Wednesday, tomorrow, I get the windows tinted. I don't really know yet. But yeah, once I get it tinted, it's gonna look real clean. All right.